Extreme Railfan, Redwood Empire Corporation CEO, coming to you with some questions I've received. J. Marie will be owned underneath the Extreme Railfan Redwood Empire Corporation. We are not affiliated with 2926. We're partners with them, but we're not underneath the NMHR bracket right now. We're on our own thing. That's what our plans were from the beginning. We're just helping out with the cars to get for our side. That way we can hook up behind 2926. Some of you may know this. We're not using the GoFundMe anymore. That is shut down. Well, yes and no. It's still running, but it's not that we're going to do donations anymore. Zeffy is our new donation spot, so donate there because that's where we need it. We need to raise a $230K before we can ever get the car home. So we're looking to bring it home next year, January 12th, 2026. That way it's here for next year's event and stuff ready to go. But we'll give updates when we get closer and we get more info. We're still trying to get it here this year, but if we can get it, unless we can get the funds. Because we got to pay for the move and we got to buy the car. And I still got to fly out there to go get the car ready to bring it home. So consider donating today. Extreme Railfan Redwood Empire Corporation is the one that's going to be owning the J. Marie. So any other questions, like if we're helping 2926 get the cars? No. We got our own cars to deal with. But we're going to be partnered with them so that way if they need extra cars for like test runs and stuff, we're there with our car. We'll be using it for backup so that if we need to take some more of the crews, we can. And then that way we can be ready to go and run, because then that way it helps us be ready to run and stuff behind the scenes. So please make sure to donate to the Zeffy. That way we can raise the funds quickly, and I will be happy to show you what our Zeffy thing looks like. Hold on 1 minute. And then tomorrow I will be live for the Starship launch coverage, so make sure to tune in over on Twitch. There's our car. There's our fundraiser. So you have an amount between 50, 100, and 300 and 500, or you can do your own amount that you want. Link will be in the description down below once this becomes a video. Let's raise the funds, guys. Come on, we need it. We're ready in our bank account right now. We're already at almost on our way to 2,000 in the bank account right now. Let's keep raising it up. I've been adding. If I can add funds, so can you. Let's keep these funds rolling, because in that way it gets us closer to get the J. Marie home faster. And we really need the funds to get the car here. Because like I said, it takes a week to get it moved via UP and BNSF to get it here, so. And we have 2 railroads to go through, so we got to get going now. Even though our window has closed for this year, we're going to try to see if we can bypass the window and bring it home. So let's raise the fund, guys. We need it. It's that time. Without you, Extreme Railfan Redwood Empire Corporation would be nothing. We've dedicated more time on the J. Marie than any other cars we've ever tried to go for. Pine Grove, Pine King, Redwood, and other cars in between. Now, if you have cars that you know about, please let me know on my email, extremerailfan@gmail.com, I have a list I can put together to see which cars are available and what I can do to get them. Yeah, because Extreme Railfan Redwood Empire Corporation was born out of it was when I first started it back in 2022, when it was under the name Extreme Railfan, because I used to do railfanning stuff, but I gave that up a while ago because I just didn't feel like doing it anymore. So I was basically done. So yeah, I was done and I couldn't do it anymore because I had the business to run and I'd rather do rail car stuff. Plus, I worked on the Iris for many years when I was under Wheels Museum, so that what gave me the training I needed. And this is my team that I have here with me. I got more teams scattered all over the place, so some of them you may not see. It may come down to when they come down. We'll just have to wait and see what they do. This is my Vice President, Dean Flores, the one with the sunglasses and the hat. Middle one is my fundraiser overseer, Max, and then me, the CEO. So that was when we were at Tractor. So come and donate to our GoFundMe. Oh, speaking of, if you want to do donations, we do accept checks and money orders. So if you want to send that to the Extreme Railfan, to my residence office area, because I work from home, make sure to send it to this address: 9013 James Place Northeast, Albuquerque, New Mexico 87101. That way it can come to me and I'll get it directly deposited into the account. That way we can have the funds. Make sure the check is titled to Extreme Railfan Redwood Empire Corporation, and then under memo, G. Marie Fundraiser. That way I can get it in the account, and that way the bank will know. If you want to do cash in the box, we have a box over at Pete's Auto Care here in Albuquerque. Make sure to donate there. We will have the box even at Railroad Days, so if you want to come donate there, you can. We'll have stuff available for donations. We'll have pictures of coaches, 2926 itself on some big frames that we took over the years, and we also may have some merch on display, like our shirts and stuff. I will not be bringing the mug. That's the one thing I will not do. So I'll have pictures of the mugs available to show. So come and contribute to helping us get the J. Marie home. If you're in Santa Fe, September 9th through the 12th, I'll be up there because I have Sky Railways that Friday because I go home that Saturday. So Sky Railway Sunset Serenade on that Friday, the 12th. So make sure, if you want to do it then, try to look for me either in my Sky Railway shirt or the Extreme Railfan Redwood Empire Corporation with the J. Marie on the back. That's how you'll be able to find me. So let's do it, guys. Let's hit the goal. Let's get these donations started on the Zephy